Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Philippines. It's afternoon here in Canada and it's July 23. Happy birthday to our kabuyog, Leonardo. And we are doing the increases today. This is actually our fourth beard location. As you can see, there's no pollen trap because these are the grafted queen cells uh, in June, and this one is our second round taking off honey at this location of the increases, and we are leaving them now as a single in preparation for the winter. So see, look at that, like they're trying to, that's why we're doing blow and go too. So we take it off and blow it right away because see, they have the uh, tendency to rub now. Look at that, they are rubbing it, rubbing. That to give them a good smoke. Smoke. Going like that. So this one is only increases. Like so tomorrow we will be treating this yard. Gonna do DFN powder, pollen patties, and excuse me, and feed tomorrow, which is Saturday. Oops. It's still heavy honey. Look at that. Heavy. See? Lots of sealed one. Sealed brood. No, not brood, but sealed honey, I mean. See that? That's sealed. Like and then you're gonna see what I did here. See that? I do it like this. See? That's the bee yard, name of the bee yard, and year. So when it go through the extracting line, the feeder will see it that it's from this location. That's why I did it like that. These bats, they will know that it's from this location. See that? Very sealed. Still lots of honey. And on our production side, We are already on our third round, going through third round of honey harvest, but this one only got the first and second round, and then we strip them off like two single. See, lots of sealed honey, lots of sealed honey. Honey. Whoops. Like that, like this, like that. Smoke. That one is very fat. Sealed honey. There they are. There. I'll just do it like this. anyways, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. The truck's gonna back up now, so we're just gonna do this one here, 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 there.